Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty with the Heart. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make inside puff. So let's get into the video. I'll just comb my hair. Yeah. So after that, from the point of my eyebrow, I'm going to take half of my hair. After that, I will take small parts of my hair so that it looks messy. I'm going to just twist it up. And I'll wait perfect. And then take again small part of my hair. And I'll secure it with the help of this bobby pin. As my hairs are longer, I have used to wear 4 bobby pins. If your hairs are small, you can use only 3 bobby pins. Now you can see so guys, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to follow my channel, like my video and share my video, and just you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. Till the time, bye bye.